In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track NSE stocks on Google Sheets using real-time stock prices with Google Finance. This is a quick and straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes. And before you know it, you'll be able to monitor stock performance directly from your Google Sheets. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open a new Google Sheets document. If you're not familiar with how to do this, you can simply head to Google's homepage. Click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Sheets from the menu. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, you're ready to start tracking stocks in real time. Now, you want to enter a formula in the sheet that will enable Google Sheets to pull the stock price data automatically. This is done using the Google Finance function. In a cell of your choice, for instance in cell A1, type in the formula each Google Finance. NSE, Reliance, price. This formula fetches the current stock price of Reliance, which is one of the many companies listed on the NSE. The Google Finance function in Google Sheets is incredibly powerful, allowing you to obtain various data points like the current price, historical data, and much more. As soon as you input the formula and press enter, the real-time stock price for that particular company will be displayed in the cell. It's really that simple. This real-time feature is ideal for anyone who wants to stay up to date with market changes without needing to refresh their browser or check multiple sources. For those of you who want to track multiple stocks, the process is quite similar. First, enter a list of the stock tickers that you're interested in tracking in a column. For example, you might list them downwards in sequential cells, starting from A2. Once you've got your list, simply drag the formula from B1 down alongside your list up to B3, or however long your list is. This will populate the prices for each respective stock all at once. As you see, using Google Sheets to track NSE stock prices is not only efficient, but also customizable according to your needs. You can easily expand your sheet to include additional information or add different stock tickers as needed. And if you're regularly tracking these stocks, you'll appreciate how the data is always current, giving you a real-time view of the market right at your fingertips. Now you have all the tools necessary to track your chosen stocks efficiently. Feel free to explore with additional functions and capabilities offered by the Google Sheets platform to further tailor the experience to your investment needs. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.